Okay, guys, so he was trying to make a, like a basic language with, that would work, like with, the speakers having multiple mouths, or whatever they speak out of. I don't know what weird creatures you guys are using for your conlangs. But I ended up going for just for all. So I went for 3, and all of them have the same 8 consonants, which are all plosives, and 3 vowels. P, B, T, D, K, G, K, L, A, E, O. But I had a more complicated version, but I don't want to do that. And if you don't know what I mean by multiple mouths, it means like at the same time 3 sounds are made, are pronounced at the same time. So like A, E, and O, one mouth makes A, one mouth makes E, and another mouth makes O. Of course, I only have one mouth, so I cannot pronounce this, but I wanted to know how many combinations there were. And for the vowel, and I'm only doing consonants with consonants and vowels with vowels. So there are 27 vowels, which are combinations of vowels, just by having 3 mouths and 3 vowels. So I wanted to figure out how many consonants there would be then. Based on this, I thought it might be, I thought it might be 192, but I was wrong. But I wasn't right, and I'm going to show you what I made to figure out what it was. Oh, and since there's 27 of these, I gave each one a letter, and then the 27th one is thorn, because hashtag bring back thorn. And then we have like 2 basic words, and 108 characters, because I knew I would need a lot of different characters to represent every consonant. So I went to Google Sheets, excusez-moi, and I set out this where here we have how many sounds there are, and here how many mouths there are, and then I just put these here. And I started off with, well, obviously these are these, and then I realized that all of these were actually just one. Odd, I thought. And I already knew this one was 27. So then I figured this out. This was 8, this was 4, this was 9. And then I saw 2, 4, 8, infinite ones, 3, 9, 27. This is clearly things to the power of other things. So here we have everything to the power of 1, everything to the power of 2, everything to the power of 3, 4, you get it. And I figured out some of them with the calculator. A lot of these don't actually fit. You can see them at the bottom though. If you know. But so basically it turns out that if you have one mouth, each sound makes one sound. And then if you have however many mouths you have is what the exponent is on the number of base phonemes. So it's actually very easy to figure out how many you have, which I thought was cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys. you guys being like 2 people who are going to watch this video for the first 10 seconds. Unless I become popular and somebody actually starts watching my old videos. Sorry, I have some fruity pebbles.